serving U.S. Army officer who told a court he feels that the Guantanamo Bay prison camps should be closed down has been removed from a jury hearing allegations of war crimes against an alleged former child soldier. Prosecutors claim the unnamed lieutenant colonel had preconceived views that might harm their case. But the exclusion of the officer, who had been called to sit as a juror in the controversial military commission trial of Omar Khadr at the U.S. naval base in Cuba, has only added to the perception of prejudice. Khadr is accused of killing a U.S. soldier with a grenade and helping to make IEDs to be used against American forces when he was 15 years old in Afghanistan. Among the 7 jurors remaining on the panel are officers who have lost close friends or colleagues fighting in Iraq and Afghanistan. One had a friend killed in the September 11th attacks on the Pentagon. A female officer who was cleared to serve on the trial jury told the court she was awarded the Purple Heart for bravery after being wounded leading her soldiers into a firefight with Iraqi or al-Qaeda militants in which 2 subordinates were killed. It also emerged that many of the officers had volunteered to take part in the proceedings. During questioning of the 15 potential panelists, all but one told the court they either believed Guantanamo Bay should stay open or did not hold an opinion on the subject. None of them thought the U.S. had used torture to extract confessions. In this context, the lieutenant colonel, who said he agreed with President Obama on the policy of Guantanamo and torture, presented a lone voice of international consensus. During the jury selection process, the officer who would be removed said, quote, "I agree with the president that the detention facility should be closed down. He said that it eroded America's reputation in the world, and that he thought that some earlier policies had lost America its, quote, reputation for being a beacon of freedom." Chief Prosecutor Jeff Groharing excluded him from the panel, saying, quote, "It's clear he has a lot of opinions. I think he has preconceived ideas that detainees were mistreated."